Hello, how are you today? I'm great, thank you. Let's begin our lesson today with a revision of what we did last time. You remember, to be and personal pronouns. I'm Ivana. You are John. She is a woman. He is a man. It is a cat. We are in the classroom. You are at home. They are at home. And now we will see the question forms. We make interrogative sentences by inversion. Inversion means that we change the places of pronouns and the verb to be. Let's see how it looks like. I'm Ivana. Am I Ivana? Am I Ivana? You are John. Are you John? Are you John? She is a woman. Is she a woman? Is she a woman? He is a man. Is he a man? Is he a man? It is a cat. Is it a cat? Is it a cat? We are in the classroom. Are we in the classroom? Are we in the classroom? You are at home. Are you at home? Are you at home? They are in the classroom. Are they in the classroom? Are they in the classroom? And now let's see the negative form. We make the negative form by putting the word not after the verb to be. For example, I'm not Mary. I'm not Mary. You are not John. You are not John. She is not Mary. She is not Mary. He is not John. He is not John. It is not a cat. It is not a cat. We are not at home. We are not at home. You are not in the classroom. You are not in the classroom. They are not in the office. They are not in the office. And in spoken English, we use contracted forms. For example, I'm not Mary. I'm not. I'm not. You are not John. You're not John. You aren't John. You aren't John. He is not a man. He's not a man. He isn't a man. You see? He is not a man. He isn't a man. Or, she is not a woman. She isn't a woman. She is not a woman. It is not a cat. It's not a cat. It isn't a cat. It's not a cat. It isn't a cat. We are not people. We are not people. We aren't people. You are not animals. You're not animals. You aren't animals. Once again, you're not animals. You aren't animals. Or with they are not in the classroom. They are not in the classroom, or they aren't in the classroom. And now let's see when we use the verb to be. We use the verb to be in a series of situations. For example, we use the verb to be to talk about our names. We can say, my name is Ivana, I am Ivana. I am Ivana, or my name is Ivana. That's one and the same. Then we also use the verb to be to talk about how we feel. If you want to know how somebody feels, you can ask him, how are you? How are you? And then person will say, I'm fine, thank you. I'm very well, thank you. I'm great, thank you. I'm not bad, or just fine, great, not bad. Then we also use the verb to be to talk about the country in which we live. If you want to know where somebody comes from, you can ask, "Hello, where are you from?" "Hello, where are you from?" "I'm from England." "I'm from the United States of America." "I'm from Spain." "I'm from France." Or, "He is from France." "She is from the United States." "They are from England." We also use the verb to be to talk about the cities in which we live. We also ask, "Where are you from?" And the person can say, "I'm from London." "I'm from New York." "He is from Madrid." "She is from Paris." "They are from Berlin." And we use the verb to be to talk about our nationalities. What is your nationality? What is your nationality? I'm English. He is British. They're American. They're Spanish. You're English, etc., etc.